today. Move your little feet and dance the happy way. Boom, boom, tap, tap, clap, clap in the air. Jump around in circles, fun is everywhere. Slide to the left and wiggle to the right. Dance like sunshine shining bright. Hop 2 times and turn around slow. Feel the rhythm, let your energy glow. Tick, 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 boom, clap, tap. Boom, clap, tap. Dum-dum, tick, tick, follow every sound. Swing your arms and spin your body round. Boom, tap, boom, clap, tap, so bright. Dance like stars in the sky at night. Step forward once, then step back quick. Move your legs like a magic trick. Tap your toes and sway side to side. Let the music take you for a ride. Tick, 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 clap, tap. Tick, tick, boom, tap, tap, clap along. Tick, tick, boom, tap, tap, clap along. Come on, kids, let's groove to the rhythm strong. Shake your hands and lift your knees. Dance like leaves in a gentle breeze. Twist your hips and bounce on your toes. Follow the beat wherever it goes. Rhythmic Rhymes for Kids is here to play. Let's dance together. Make it a joyful